If you're seeing Steam error 502, don't worry. In most cases, this is a temporary server-side problem or a local connection issue, and you can usually fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to troubleshoot Steam error 502 step by step, so you can get back to browsing the store, logging in, or downloading your games as quickly as possible. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, the simplest fix is to wait and retry. Steam error 502 often happens when Steam's servers are having a temporary problem or when a request times out. If that's the case, the issue may resolve itself within a few minutes. So before changing anything else, refresh the page, close Steam if needed, and try again after a short wait. Sometimes the fastest fix is just giving the service a moment to recover. Next, do a hard refresh or reload. If you're using Steam in a browser, press Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command, Shift and R on Mac to force the page to reload without using the stored version from cache. If you're in the Steam client, close the window completely and reopen it. This can clear out a stuck page load and force Steam to reconnect properly. Now, check the server status. If the problem is not on your end, there's no point spending too long troubleshooting your device. Visit a service status site like steamstat.us and check whether Steam is currently experiencing outages or widespread errors. You can also look at community reports to see if other users are having the same issue. If Steam is down globally, the best fix is simply to wait until the servers are back online. If the desktop client still isn't working, try an alternative platform. Open Steam in a web browser or switch to the Steam mobile app and see whether the problem happens there too. This helps you figure out whether the issue is with the desktop app, your browser, or the Steam service itself. If the mobile app or browser works fine, then the desktop client may need a cache refresh or network reset. After that, clear the Steam download cache. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Downloads, and click Clear Download Cache. Steam will usually ask you to sign in again after this, which is completely normal. Clearing the cache can fix corrupted temporary files that sometimes trigger loading problems, slow downloads, or strange connection errors like 502. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS and press Enter. Once the command runs, Windows will clear old DNS records and request fresh network information. This can help if your system is holding on to outdated or broken connection data. After running the command, restart Steam and test the connection again. In many cases, that's enough to fix the problem. If the error still appears, try restarting your computer and your internet router as well, because that can clear out temporary network issues that may be affecting Steam. So to recap, the best ways to fix Steam error 502 are to wait and retry, hard refresh the page, check Steam server status, try the mobile app or browser version, clear the Steam download cache, and flush your DNS using Command Prompt as administrator. These steps cover both server-side and local connection problems, which is why they work so well. If this tutorial helped you fix Steam error 502, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.